So, my kitchen is looking a little messy at the moment. So I'm cleaning things around the kitchen, moving some stuff around, but today I'm going to make some changes. So I'm going to change this section right here, and the kitchen that you guys love so much is still surviving. Everything looks perfectly fine, except some areas around here that you can see some scratches. Honestly, it looks worse on camera, but in person, it really doesn't look bad unless you're like, focus, and you see things like that. So I'm going to change the countertop and the backsplash, just because this right here, this video was made 2 years ago, and the reason I did it was because we were all, on lockdown, and I had so much time to do things, so therefore I decided to remodel the kitchen, and it turned out great. But I know 100% that this doesn't completely match, but I didn't care. I just wanted something affordable, so I decided to go with this since I saw all of this at Walmart, and that's why I decided to go with the white, this as the countertop, and then for the backsplash I didn't have anything else, so I chose that. And honestly, I love it. I think it looks great. Some of you love to criticize it, but I really do like it. But it's time to change it. I am in the mood to change those two things just so it can match a little better. I did put some handles, and we're still missing some right here, so we need to do that. But today I want to target the backsplash and the countertop. And like I told you guys, the day that I decided to remove everything, I was going to show you guys. So let's get started. So now I have you guys a little more up close so you can see what I'm doing. All I'm going to do is just pick a corner and lift and just start pulling the vinyl. Just like that. Little by little, I am going to just pull it gently. You guys are able to see me? Okay. So I'm filming by myself, so I just want to make sure that I get everything. But as you can see, it's coming off perfectly fine with no problem. Except right here, it's just ripping, but it's not ripping the paint like a lot of you thought it was going to. So I'm going to pick this corner right here. It's like stuck in this corner. Okay, hold on. Oh, it's gonna keep on ripping like this, but you guys get the deal, right? Look. So, just showing you. No paint at all. No problem. And we're going to keep on just ripping this. And just like that. Taking that right off. And then I'm just gonna keep on picking in certain corners just to pull the rest out. See, like that. No paint. No paint. Making sure you guys can see that. It's a little difficult to film by yourself and show you this. Again, no paint. And I'm just gonna continue to the rest. I don't know why it's working like this back and forth, but hey. There we go. And that's it. Perfectly fine. No paint. Nothing. Let me grab the camera a little bit. And that's how the wall looks like. So it's fine. There's nothing really wrong with it. This vinyl is pretty easy to remove. All you gotta do is pull it. So I wanted to show you that it's not sticky at all. So you can see the paper's falling off. I don't know how else to prove to you that it's not sticky. It didn't leave me any residue. Again, I cannot vouch for every vinyl paper out there, but for this one, I've used it before and it's pretty good. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to remove the countertop, and you just want to pick a section where you could just start pulling the vinyl out, and then you start just pulling the vinyl just like that. Ta-da! Perfectly fine. So this is how the countertop looks like. It's good. There's nothing wrong with it. I feel like in certain areas, it might be like a little stripe or two that it feels like a little bit of glue. I guess the adhesive from the paper, but nothing serious, nothing that you can just spray down. But other than that, it's pretty good. And I'm okay with it. So this is a close-up with my phone because with the camera, it goes in and out. So just wanted to show you guys that there's certain sections that is like a little dirty, I guess. But I'm going to wipe that down, let this dry, and then apply the new one. You don't want any type of oils on top of anything that you're going to place vinyl, because it won't stick down. So even though this doesn't feel oily or anything, I'm still going to wipe all this down, let it dry, and then I'm going to apply the new one. So right here, I just want to show you guys, because I already did this video and I don't want to be repetitive. I just want to show you that I am doing a new vinyl. But right here, everybody keeps on asking me about this section. For me, I bring it all the way in, as you can see, like that. And then when I cut from up here. See this area right here? Right here I cut, not here, because then the vinyl, if you make a mistake, you won't be able to fix it. And then you'll have like the vinyl cut through here and stuff like that. So just cut it from up here so you could still have some room in case of a mistake. And then you could go gently in these corners like that and cut it more close to the sink. And then you could apply some caulk around this if you want, which I think I'm going to do. But that's what I do. I bring it all the way. See, like that? All the way in. So all the way to the sink. This is going to be extra that I'm going to have to cut off. But that's how I like it, just so it goes round all the way around the sink like that. And then it can look somewhat of more of a realistic look. That's how I like to do it. I hope that made some sense. Let me finish this because I am so tired. So 2 years ago, this is the way my kitchen used to look like. I decided to change it around and it turned out like this, under $30. And now this is the new way that my kitchen looks. I added some door handles on the cabinets and it does make them look so much better. I really love the way my kitchen currently looks like. Let me know down in the comments if you guys like this change, if you like the old style, the way I had it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.